Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to center a steering rack. First, it's crucial to understand why proper centering is so important for your vehicle's handling and tire wear. We'll start by disconnecting the tie rod ends from the steering knuckles. This gives us the freedom to move the rack independently. Make sure your steering wheel is locked securely in its straight-ahead position before proceeding. Now, let's find the true center of your steering rack. Carefully turn the rack all the way to one side, counting the full rotations as you go. Then, turn it completely to the opposite side, again counting the rotations until it stops. Add these two counts together, and then divide that total by 2. This will give you the exact number of rotations needed to bring the rack to its perfect center. Once your steering rack is precisely centered, it's time to adjust the tie rods. With the rack held firmly in its central position, carefully adjust the length of each tie rod. You'll want to measure the distance from the main rack body to the end of each tie rod. The goal here is to ensure both tie rod ends are exactly equidistant from the rack body, creating a balanced setup. Finally, with your tie rods adjusted, reconnect them to the steering knuckles. It's a good idea to perform a preliminary alignment check at this stage to confirm that your steering rack is indeed centered and the wheels are pointing straight. After reassembly, take your vehicle for a short test drive. Pay close attention to how it tracks in a straight line and if the steering wheel remains centered. This ensures everything is correctly aligned for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.